Good morning everyone. This is Arushi Pandalia from grade 4. I am going to tell today day and date. The day is Wednesday. The date is 25th June 2025. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning everyone. I am Zaina Mujabar from grade 4. Every Wednesday we observe a Wellness Wednesday. So now, behalf of it, I am going to share some healthy tips. Such as no, spend morning once a week to reset your attention span. Thank you.
Good morning. This is Vivan Surendra Mehta from grade 4.
I am Viraj Pratap Rao Shinde from grade 4.
My name is Avnish from grade 4.
This is Pratyaksh from grade 4.
My name is Viraj Neje from grade 4.
We are going to tell you today's importance of the day. Today we are observing World Vitiligo Day. It is observed on every year of June 25. The day promotes kindness, acceptance, and celebrating differences.
The day raises awareness about vitiligo, a skin condition. But I was wondering, what is vitiligo?
Vitiligo is a skin condition where people lose pigment in certain areas of their skin. But I was thinking, who can get it?
Anyone can get vitiligo, all ages, skin tones, and genders. Can you please name some famous people in vitiligo?
Winnie Harlow, supermodel, and Michael Jackson, a famous pop star.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to send message that be kind and stand for others if you see bullying.
May we celebrate all kinds of beauty and spread kindness, acceptance,
And understanding to everyone, everywhere. Thank you.